in this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Wi-Fi password on your Blink camera. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to change the Wi-Fi settings, including the password that is assigned to a Blink camera, you will have to reset it completely. So sadly, as it stands today, you will need to reset the sync module or the camera, and then after it is reset, you will be able to connect it to a different or the same Wi-Fi network after you have changed the details about it. So it seems like there's no way around this. You can use the reset pinhole that you can find at the side or the reset button depending on which model you have. So press down on these buttons for a few seconds. You will usually see the LEDs in the front of the camera blink, indicating that a reset was performed. You don't have to hold them for much longer. So once you have the reset done, open the mobile app and the sync module should have gone offline. With this done, you tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen, and in here you choose what you want to add, so either a sync module or wireless camera. Once you have them selected, you go through the usual process. So you scan the QR code or you enter the serial code manually. Once everything has been entered, you will be able to assign it to a specific system, and after it is done, the camera has been discovered. It is going to use the Wi-Fi network assigned in your device. There's no secret to this. So like I said before, it is going to work, but sadly you will have to fully reset the camera. It seems like they don't have an easy option through the app when you tap on the devices to switch the Wi-Fi networks on the fly, so a full reconnection is required, and only then can you change the Wi-Fi settings. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.